So today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a '09 Chevy 2500 HD. This is also true with the 1500s, 2500s, 3500s, all that jazz. So anyway, first thing you're going to need, the only thing you're going to need is this T25 and a new filter. There are 3 locations. One up here, black on black should be great. One down here, which I removed, right there, and then one over here, and one up here. I removed 3 of them. I'll remove the 4th one just to give you a show, you know. But let's see. Pull this guy out. Yeah, T25. Okay. Then I always put my bolts up on this little pedestal thing because that's a pretty good holder. Alright. Then all you have to do, lift it up, grab the edge, just poop, lift it up. One thing that you will never see is the actual the dirt that will go through. All filters will let some pass, just that's the nature of the beast. But most of the time, even looking at it, you'll be like, well, that doesn't need to be replaced. But in all honesty, you're better off for just replacing it, because I guess if you don't know, replace it. There could be if you don't have a vacuum gauge, good idea to replace it, or if you have a K&N air filter, to wash it out and have a spare, just always. Because you'd rather be constantly, if you're not getting enough air through it, you're just burning fuel, which is making it run not lean, but run rich. Because it's running rich, you're going to burn more fuel, less oxygen, and causing worse gas mileage. So, my advice, replace the air filter. Number 1 complaint that I get all the time is actually the fuel filter being plugged, because if you lose fuel, you'll start noticing fuel at higher RPMs and high heavy loads, you'll start losing power. So this is just a little FYI tidbit for you. But yeah, you screw these all down. I'll get you the part number here shortly, because it's always good to have the part number. If you don't have the part number, then they have to look it up, and it takes forever, and blah blah blah. So if you have the part number, they can cross it. They can cross it super fast. So you're better off just having I'd rather give you a part number than, or a good known part number that you could cross on. So that way you know you could talk to them, whoever, CarQuest, Napa, O'Reilly's, whoever, and be able to cross that. Because let's face it, if they don't have a data sheet that can cross that, they're losing money, because people go elsewhere, and if people go elsewhere, then they go out of business. So it's a good investment for them to have. Make sure that all of these are torqued. Go back and re-torque them, just snug. You're not looking for, you know, to the wall. You're just looking for a little tension on it. Alright, and then your part number is today we're doing CarQuest 87488. So, there you go. I've been your host. If you have any questions, comments, it's mastertechnician007@gmail.com. But until then, like I always say, jack of all trades, master of none. See ya.